Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at free audio plugin packages for Windows and Mac. These plugin packages allow you to get a lot of high quality plugins all at once to be used with your digital audio workstation. To get them for yourself, check out the links in the video description for the downloads. FREE87 Series is a set of free plugins based on the Analog 87 paid plugins. This simple plugin set gives us a compressor, gate, limiter, and equalizer. The compressor has threshold and makeup gain controls with a fast, mid, and slow setting. The gate gives us attack and release times plus a threshold. The limiter just has a threshold control plus a slow release switch. Finally, the equalizer gives us a frequency selection, Q for the bandwidth, and a gain knob. These plugins all have limited options, but can be an easy way to make some quick changes to a mix. TAL-Effects provides us with 7 free effects plugins to play with. For those who require 64-bit Mac support, you'll be able to use the TAL Reverb 4, Filter 2, and Chorus LX plugins. Those with a Windows system can also take advantage of some of their older plugins, including the Bit Crusher, Flanger, Ultra Simple EQ, and Tube Saturation plugin. Reverb 4 is their plate reverb plugin based on an 80s sound. Filter 2 syncs with our host tempo and adds volume, low pass, high pass, and a band pass filter control. Chorus LX is a simple chorus plugin that has 2 types of chorus and controls for the amount applied and stereo spacing. The Bit Crusher reduces the resolution of digital audio and creates a distorted sound in the process. The Flanger creates a stereo sweeping sound, and it can be popular on things like guitar or synth tracks. The Ultra Simple EQ plugin is used to make a track brighter or darker without adding too much other changes to the sound. Finally, TAL Tube adds a tube saturation sound to add a little bit of harmonics or distortion to the sound depending on how much you use it. Blue Cat's Freeware plugins pack has a lot of effects processors that are great for any instrument, but will definitely be found useful for those who are recording a guitar. One of the reasons is that we get Blue Cat's free amp simulation plugin. This plugin has classic clean, classic drive, and modern drive guitar amps with gain, drive, bass, mid, treble, tone, and volume controls. After that, you can add an impulse to simulate a cabinet and mic. Some other plugins we get are the Triple EQ, Gain Suite, and Freak Analyst plugin. For the guitarist, there's a few more effects like chorus, flanger, and phaser included. MeldaProductions MFreeFXBundle gives us a lot of different plugins, and there's 34 included for free. With this package, we get things like auto-tune, auto-panning, bandpass, compressors, equalizers, and more. This package also comes with a few tools like Frequency Spectrum Analyzer, Notepad to leave notes on a track, utility tool for stuff like phase and stereo inversion, and a tuner. There's a lot included in this, and it's a lot more than we can cover in this video, so check it out for yourself at the link in the description for a full set of plugins and features. Thanks for checking out this video on free audio plugin packages. Let us know if you want to learn more about these plugin packages in the comments below, and maybe we'll take a closer look at some of them in a future video. Also, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever a new video is released.